Hello everyone. So today we'll start with the basic exercise of chapter 11, Air, Water and Weather. Open your books, let's recall. First of all, in the list, let's recall fill-ups. Mornings and evenings are dash, then noon time. Morning and evening, they are always cooler than noon time. So write your answer, cooler. Second is the sun heats up the water and changes it into, on heating water, it changes into water vapor. So answer is water vapor. Third is evaporation is faster when exposed to surface. Option is given whether small or large. When it is exposed to large surface at that time evaporation, the process of evaporation, it is more, right? So answer is large. Fourth, water exists in all dash states. There are three states of matter: solid, liquid and gases, and water is present in all these three states of matter. It is present in solid as ice, in liquid as water, and in gas as water vapor. So water exists in all three states. Fifth, land breeze blows from dash to dash. Land breeze, it always blows from land to sea. So there are two fill-ups for this. In first one, in A part, write down land, and in second you will write sea. Now let's answer. First of all, MCQs, tick the correct answer. First, a gentle and pleasant wind is called. Four options are given: A gale, B storm, C breeze and D humidity. Its answer is gentle and pleasant wind is called sea breeze. So in front of C put tick. Second, what causes changes in the seasons? A rotation, B revolution, C rain and D wind. Its answer is B revolution. We have four seasons only and only because of revolution of the earth, and day and night due to rotation of the earth. Third is we use water for A sleeping, no. B drinking, yes. C washing, yes, for this also. D both B and C. So answer is D. We use water for drinking and washing. Fourth is which of the following is not used for purifying water? A filtration, yes, this process we use for purification of water. B chlorination, this also. C boiling, yes, this also. D condensation. Condensation is the process in which water vapor changes into water on cooling. So this we do not use for purification of water. So answer is D. Fifth, when it is very cold, dewdrops freeze to form A fog, no. B frost, yes. Answer is B frost. Frost is just frozen form of the dewdrops only. Now part B, true or false? Boiling the water kills the germs present in it. Yes, boiling, chlorination, both of these help in killing the germs which are present in the water. Second, filter paper allows impurities to flow through it, but not water. It is opposite. Filter paper, it allows water to pass through it, not the impurities. So second one is false. Third, drinking water should always be stored in clean containers. Yes, we should store drinking water in the clean containers. Water vapor condenses to form tiny droplets of water. Water vapor, it condenses to form small drops of water only, right, on cooling. So this one is true. Land heats up and cools down slowly than water. No. Land, it heats up also faster and cools down also faster than the water. So this one is false. Now part C, name the following. Movement of earth causing day and night. Now only I told you. Its answer is rotation. Second, breeze blows during the day. During day, in which wind blows? That is sea breeze. And during night, land breeze. 3 uses of water. We use water for, you can write drinking, washing, and for cooking. You can write any other uses also by yourself. After this, fourth, 2 methods used for purifying water. We can use boiling and chlorination. You can write sedimentation, decantation, filtration also. Fifth is the blanket of air that surrounds the earth. Answer is atmosphere. Now sixth, 2 insoluble impurities. Insoluble means which do not dissolve in water. For it means it doesn't matter how much time you will stir it, it will remain same over there in the water. So we can write sand, stone, pebbles. I'm writing sand and stone. Now let's do part A. Read the clues and unscramble the words given below. The condition of air at a particular place and time. What do we call it? We call it weather. Second, solid state of water, it's ice. Third is the process of changing water into water vapor on heating. We call it evaporation. Fourth, the process of changing water vapor into water on cooling, that is known as condensation. And fifth is a method of purifying water, boiling, part B is make a colorful chart of water cycle. This you can do by yourself. Let's think and answer horse. We see drops of water on the grass on cold winter mornings. Which process is responsible for formation of these drops? Answer is condensation. So part in answer for horse is condensation process. Now let's acquire. Rita's scarf got wet in rain. Where should we put it so that it dries up quickly? A, under the fan? Yes. B, out in the humid weather? No. The weather where there is already humidity in the air, it will not get dry up quickly. In a room without fan? So without air, how will it get dry up? In the kitchen? No. So answer is A, under the fan. So answer of let's acquire is A. This was all about the back exercise. Have a nice day.